Hey guys, I'm back with your favorite channel DIY Gardening Tips with more exciting ideas about how you can use old wooden pallets to enhance the beauty of your backyard or patio. So let's start. Repurposing old pallets and creating something totally new from them can be somewhat intimidating. Surprisingly, there are so many easy projects you can create with pallets, starting with simply laying them on the floor and throwing a mattress on the top of the bed. Pallets are so versatile and can be transformed into almost anything you can imagine, from shelves, tables, benches to garden beds and fire pits and planters. With warmer weather right around the corner, it's time to start thinking about sprucing up your outdoor living space. What better way than to create trendy and unique projects with pallets? It's no secret that you can create some pretty impressive furniture and decor with wood pallets. Check out these incredible ways to reuse them in your outdoor living space. The possibilities are endless. All you need is a little imagination. Creating a sense of enclosure in your backyard will make your space feel like a secluded and private oasis. Although you can install a privacy fence, you can also save time and money by building a super cute privacy screen using pallets. This unique pallet screen feels a built-in garden bed that you can fill with composite and your favorite flowers. Whether you like to host large events with friends or frequently have family over during the warm summer months, it always seems to be a hassle finding plenty of outdoor seating for everyone. With a simple weekend project using pallets, you can expand your outdoor dining area that only adds not only adds enough seating for everyone, but also gives you outdoor space a chic, trendy look. What better way to enjoy the nature of the outdoors than with an outdoor swing right in your own backyard? This pallet swing is the perfect summer DIY that requires very few supplies. This pallet swing adds the perfect touch of nostalgia to your outdoor living space. Throw on a few blankets and relax while reading a book or looking up at the stars. Building an outdoor garden bench out of pallets is a great way to recycle wood. This is such a cozy little addition to your backyard area and provides additional seating with is always a bonus. Liven it up with bold, colorful chairs, cushions, built-in planters, or leave a little room for storage underneath. The possibilities are endless with this versatile pallet bench. Creating unique projects out of reclaimed wood is an easy way to save money and have something that adds personality to your living space. This outdoor coffee table and bench is made from pallets and serves as a wonderful place to sit and enjoy your morning coffee or bring a game of cards outdoor to play. The metal cage filled with rock clusters adds a gorgeous touch to the base of the table. Some vegetables like tomatoes or squash need a little extra room for growing. This growing rack planter box can be easily made using pallets. It's large enough for planting a few of your favorite veggies, and since it's raised, it can be moved wherever you would like. This is a wonderful way to save precious garden space and keep your veggies from taking over. Creating the outdoor area of your dreams doesn't have to break the bank. A deck is a great way to extend your outdoor living space and add functionality, not to mention enhance the value of your home. This beautiful wood deck was built using pallets and is a genius way to save money while still looking personality built. Spruce up your window decor this spring with a stunning window planter box using recycled wooden pallets. These are great for gardening in small spaces and adds beautiful curb appeal and character to your home. This is a simple DIY project that can make over the weekend and enjoy for so many years to come. So this is all about today's video and I hope so you like it. So